Hey girl, it's me. How you
Hi,
doing, Misha? Thank you so
I'm
much
good.
for joining us.
Thank you for having me. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. I'm so excited to have you on today. Like I've been having some it's fun. Everybody, this is Misha Lewis, the world-renowned, camera-ready media makeup artist right here in the flesh. She has been in the business for over 15 years. This lady gets people camera ready from CNN, which she's been with for 10 years, and stations like PBS, and she's worked with Al Jazeera. If you need tips on how to get ready for these Zoom and Hangout meetings and all these video conference meetings that we've all been thrust into, she's going to be the best person. So how you doing, girl? Thanks for being with us.
I'm good. Like, how am I going to come and say anything after an introduction like that? That's amazing. Thank you.
Absolutely. I'm just glad you had a little time for me. I was thinking to myself, myself and all these colleagues, luckily I was in the beauty business for a while, so I kind of get myself ready for these videos, but I can't help myself but to scroll through when I'm in some of these meetings. And I figured here we could provide some people with some value of fun. I'm in real estate now, and
Yes.
I'm in a lot of business meetings, and as you know, you're getting a lot of people ready for those kinds of meetings, and I can't help but to scroll through and see people looking like, okay, or have a weird screen up. So I said,
Yeah.
I'm gonna reach back and give to everybody, and
Yes.
I'm so grateful to have you. So tell
Yes.
us like how we can help ourselves, what we could do.
Okay, so I think that now is like a really good opportunity to, just kind of play around a little bit with, like a really quick look, because you don't want to kind of get like in a routine of doing something that when things kind of return back to whatever normal is going to be for us, that you can't really maintain.
Right.
So I would say, like me, I'm married, I'm a mom of three. And even though I do makeup, every day, hair and makeup, like I don't spend more than like maybe 4 to 5 minutes on my makeup, because I think, skincare is the most important thing. And once your skin, is cleansed and hydrated and everything, then you can just do like minimal work. So, I just want to be able to show people, like a lot of people wear foundation, for instance, that really don't need foundation. Maybe they just need like a little tinted moisturizer or something like that, just to have a finished look,
Right. Right.
and maybe a hint of blush, mascara, and a lip, and literally you're done.
Absolutely. I think that's so key too. And I love the fact that you mentioned new normal and whatever our normal will be once we rise out of this. Because I have been listening to people who, like, on the days, ladies who on the days that they know they have to actually present or something, I hear them, they're like, oh, I spent like 40 minutes. And I'm like, never. Like I like I found myself a few good tips. I just try to make sure my eyebrows are really done. And so I think like you said, that new normal, this will help them from maybe some of the extra work they did before and not take a lot of those steps into it. So I'm going to let you just have the floor and show us what to do.
Thank you. So I think one of the keys that you just said was your brows, because, one thing that, I truly believe in, most of us makeup artists, and coming from the beauty industry, that the brows do frame the face. So I do recommend that everyone that's doing their face has has a spoolie like this. You can get disposable ones, or you can just have one that you can wash on your own with alcohol or with soap and water. So I always recommend just literally like just gently, just brush your brows.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, I don't even like wearing mascara. It kind of irritates my eyes. And I'm in a space now where I can't even get to my lash lady. So like, what am I going to do? So I don't care. My skin is everything.
Yeah.
That's it. So we're, obviously we're not using our hands to do anything. So I'm just going to start off with a lip conditioner really quick. And I'm just going to put that on so that by the time I get to You know, if I want to wear a matte lip one day, you know, maybe you're having a power meeting and you want to wear like a bold red lip because you want to let people know, hey, I'm serious today, you know,
Right,
or,
yeah.
and then one thing, right. And then I'm going to start off with just kind of concealing and brightening in this area. Okay. So I'm literally just going to put a couple little dots. Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put, this is just like a little bit of a tinted moisturizer. So you can see, I put it here so you can see the amount of product that I'm using.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm literally going to take this brush and I'm going to start here because I kind of want to blend this in.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then I'm literally just taking a light touch, guys. Like, this is not rocket science. It's makeup, you know, it's not biology, you know, like, have fun with it, you know, like, you want to look like yourself.
Right.
And so, like, I have a few little marks up here, but I'm not looking for a perfect face, guys. I'm just, you know, I want to look finished. I just want to look like myself.
Right.
So I'm just kind of taking this around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go over this, you know, like, nobody's skin is the same color all over. All right.
Right.
And I'm just doing this.
Right.
This is it.
Right.
Okay. I don't even think I've used a minute yet. All right. And it's always best to start off with less. If you need to add more so you can save your product, like I'm doing now, add more to the wedge. This is it.
Yeah.
So if you want me to get closer.
Yeah. I can already see like how much smoother, you know, like you have skin, but it's just like more even now.
Right. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
But there's still color too. Like, it's not all like gone.
And notice, guys, I did not even fill in my brows. This is a Zoom meeting. It you know, unless you have like really large spaces in your brows, you know, or unless, like, some people really embrace their brows and they're like, no, I love filling them in. That's fine, but I'm trying to get you to a 3-minute look.
Right.
You know?
Absolutely.
So, okay. So that's it for that, right?
Right.
I'm going to take a peachy color.
Yes.
Okay. A little fluffy brush and tap it. And then just gently on the cheek. Right?
Yep. Yeah.
See that? Can you see that good?
Yeah, I can actually. I can.
Can you see the difference from this side?
I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
And just know, if you feel like you ever have too much, you can always go back with this brush.
And blend.
And blend.
Blend it down. Yes. There you go. Look at that.
And then, guess what? Your lip. I didn't even put it on this side yet. Because I just want you to see the difference.
See the difference, yeah.
Okay? And then your lip. I always wear a pop of color. Because I don't wear a lot of anything else. So, here we go. I wear a gloss most times. Go back, brush those brows again. You still have time. I'm going to go back and do this cheek. That's it.
Yep.
You're ready. Like, you have not had to wake up early, extra early to do this look.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You are Zoom ready.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all. If you want to do some extras, one thing that you could do, you can add mascara. Like I said, mascara really irritates my eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't wear it. But what I would do in the interim is, say, like, if you like shadow, you could just take a swipe of shadow over your lid. You know, but, you know, I'm just saying, most people are not really trying to get into shadow and liner and all that kind of stuff in 3 minutes.
Right.
You know, like maybe we could come back another time for the women that are like, look, no, I want to do shadow, I want to do liner, I want to do all that.
Absolutely.
That's fine. But just for a quick 3-minute deal.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Bring a little color to your face.
Bring a little color to your face.
Shadow.
And, you know, I mean, that's all this is what I do on an everyday basis.
Yeah.
This is my everyday face.
Okay.
When I come into work and I have on like liner or something, people are like, oh, where are you going today? Or where have you been? What are you doing? Because I don't even come into work until like 1 o'clock.
Right.
So, you know, I don't have time for a lot. And I want people to see me. I want people to see Misha. I don't want people to see makeup first.
Right.
You know, like you look really nice today. I see Rashida. I don't see, you know, makeup first. I see you.
Yeah. And I think that's like one of the keys, like, you know, as a former makeup artist, like when we present to the world, but most of the time we're all about the skin, you know, when I was in that world, we were all about the skin and peeling, being able to peel off. But I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Yes.
So much. I would love to get into different looks and expanding on that. And we'll answer some questions because I'm sure we'll get some questions from this video. Guys, this video will be on social media for you and will also be on our YouTube so you can watch it anytime and then reach out and I'll put you in touch with this fabulous lady. And you can, you know, if you need some product or anything, because we're all at home and you can't really go to the store. She is also a rep for Beauty Counter, which is a non-toxic, wonderful line. And the products are really natural, won't be heavy. And look out for, we're going to do a how to take care of your skin during these times.
Oh, yes.
No more.
That's going to be fun.
No more excuses. Get the skin together. In the meantime, hydrate. All right?
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining me.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. And thank you for your emails and stuff. You do such good work. Like everything is always relevant in there.
Thank you. I'm so glad you like it.
All right.
We always wonder, like, right? Like, are people getting good information from those? But thank you for reading.
Yes.
I appreciate you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.